In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept an invitation to join a Microsoft Teams community. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are told you have been invited to join a Microsoft Teams community, log into your account and then go to this activity bell. If you click on it, you will be able to see all the pending invitations for you to join. Currently, I have this one to join a community, and this is the name of the community. To accept this invitation, once you click on it, you can see you have an option here either to accept or to decline. I'll proceed and accept by just tapping on accept here. And once this is done, now I'm a member of this community, and you can see it from here. So that's how you can accept to join a Microsoft Teams community. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.